Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. Tuesday, the last day of the month of September, and we have our two hurricanes. Imelda became a hurricane overnight, and it continues to kind of edge out a little bit further offshore. What's interesting is that a lot of the high level moisture is getting blown up the East Coast, and we're seeing lots of high clouds across New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, into southern New England. And there's actually even some rain on the radar as far north, at least aloft anyway, into southern New Jersey. To the east of that is Umberto, which is passing to the west of Bermuda and about even with Bermuda, latitude wise. Notice it's become really ragged this morning. Uh, the concentration of convection is kind of moving away from the center, just all of it sort of spreading out. And a lot of that has to do with the expanding outflow of Imelda, which is going to track to the east northeast and pass right over Bermuda early Thursday morning. And literally going to pass right over the island. But we've got no weather issues here. If you look up in eastern Canada, you can see that there's this little area of clouds that's dropping southward that pretty much marks the line, the leading edge of a big dome of high pressure that's going to be building into the eastern half of the United States, and it's going to mean for some great weather that will definitely last for quite a while. Here's what's on the radar this morning as of 8 a.m. Eastern time, and as I mentioned, there's actually some echoes aloft in southern New Jersey, and I didn't see anything that showed that this is reaching the ground. We are seeing some rain in southern Virginia and North Carolina and the coastal Carolinas. Again, once Imelda moves far enough offshore, that's all going to pretty much disappear. So it's all about high pressure building in and some very cool air that we're going to be dealing with. There's no rain in the forecast, folks, for at least the next 7 or 8 days. So our tropical systems go out to the east. Big dome of high pressure builds down from the north. So today will be the last warm day, depending on how much sun we get with these clouds hanging around, mid to upper 70s. But by morning, we'll be down in the 40s and 50s, and highs for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in the 60s. And Thursday, I think, is going to be the coolest day. Wednesday night and Thursday night are going to be the two coolest nights with low 50s near the coast, 40s just inland. And if you go north of Route 84, Interstate 84, in upstate New York and New England, you're going to see a good amount of 30s. So the high controls all week long. The high moves to Virginia come Friday night and Saturday. So we go from a northeast wind to a west wind, and that means warmer temperatures over the weekend. With sunshine, we could be back up near 80 degrees by Sunday.